All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as you guys may already know, we are already done with the discussions or with the topics that we have to finish. So my only concern is, are you guys done with those activities? Let's say under week 9 and 10, the design, week 11 and 12, the testing, or not yet?
Sir, nasa testing na po kami, sir.
It's a testing. So you should be really on the testing part now because you guys now only have like 10 days from now. Yeah, April 8th. So one like 11 days from now. Anyway, so whatever is your progress or whatever is your project in software design lab, so that is the one that you're going to like submit here on your lecture. So design, you're going to submit design of your your project in laboratory, and whatever testing you're going to use in your software or project in laboratory, that's the one that you're going to submit in here. Okay, so do not create a complete another system just to create design for this one and then a testing for this one. So just use your system on your laboratory, and then that will do as your design. Just take a screenshot and then storyboard, and then what testing you have used, or did you use manual testing? Okay, and then what is the result, or did you find a lot of some bugs or errors, etc., etc. Okay, and don't forget to answer the case studies. And so yeah, those are the only things that I want you guys to monitor or want to double check. So did you guys create another system, or you're using your system in laboratory? Because I saw others that the one that they submitted here in lecture is different from what we are doing in laboratories. That is why I'm saying here right now that you should use your existing system or the one that you have created in laboratory, and then just get the design or whatever is being asked here in lecture, and then just submit it in here. Okay. So are you guys using your system in laboratory or your project in laboratory as a basis? Hello, hello. Did you guys get my question? Or are you guys confused?
Sir, medyo confused, sir.
So, gumagawa kayo ng project nyo sa laboratory, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, isang project lang yun. So, whatever is that project of yours, for example, in here, uh, it is asking the user interface of your project. Okay, so you don't need to create a complete different project. So you can use the project in your laboratory and then use that as the user interface. Okay, and the storyboard of your project on the laboratory. So yun na yun. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is do not create a complete separate project, okay, because you can use your project in laboratory, okay, whatever project is that you're creating or doing with your group mates. Just get the interface of that one screenshot sneaking tool, and yeah, just paste it right here, and then also create the storyboard, and then that's already it. You can submit it as your design for this week 9 and 10. Okay, and then for the week 11 and 12, so the same, whatever is your project in laboratory. So I want you guys to identify the methods or steps or tools that you have used to test your software. okay, or system project and its quality. Okay. So basically, you won't be able to do these activities, this software quality testing, this design, this function-oriented design, if you don't have the project in laboratory yet. So that is why you must finish your project in laboratory before you can submit this testing part right here. Because in here, parang patapos na to eh. Actually, tapos na nga eh. You're just testing the product, okay, or the system itself. Okay. So I hope we are clear now with those activities. Are we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I really hope so. And yeah, as usual, so your final exam will be on. So this is an incorrect date because I just again imported this one from the Canvas for the module given to me by Ma'am Teresa. So your final exam will be on April 4, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. Yeah, April 4 at exactly 7:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay. So let me change this one now. So you can have the entire 4 hours. And 2022 April 4. So this will be due 11:30 p.m. And this one will be 7:30 a.m. There you go. Okay. So as usual, the coverage of your final exam will be all the all the modules in finals. So that would be week 7 to week 12. So 3 modules in total, or 4 to be exact, because we have 2 modules under week 7 and 8, and then 1 module for the week 9 and 10, and then another 1 module for the last module for the week 11 and 12. Okay, so this will be available on April 4, exactly 7:30 p.m. All right, so are we clear so far regarding with your final exam?
Yes, sir.
It's great. So before we end our meeting, so let me just ask you guys if you have any concerns, just in case that you have concern or question from week 7 to week 12.
None naman po, sir.
Also,
Yes, Olivero.
good morning, sir. I'm sorry I came late for the meeting. I want to confirm our area of concentration for the exam is week 7 to week 12,
Yes,
or the whole modules.
4 modules.
I mean, our area of concentration for the exam, is it week 7 to week 12? The final exam.
Yeah, the coverage of your final exam will be from week 7 to week 12 only. Module, because this one doesn't have the module number. So this is one: software design, cohesion and coupling, system design, and then software quality and testing. So a total of 4 modules that you guys need to review for your final exam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So what about the others? Do you guys have a concern? Any other concerns? Questions? So again, those who just come late, your final exam will be on April 4th. Okay, not April 8th, not April or whatsoever. So this is actually the first day of me. Let me check. I think this is April 5. So if it's April 5, then we have that just as one in April 5. Where's my documents? Where is one? see. So they've updated the date of your finals examination date. So instead of April 4, probably we can move it to April 6. What do you guys think? Are you guys okay with April 6?
Yes, sir.
Because this one is quite, I don't know why this one became like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because our meeting in software design is only Monday and Tuesday. And there is no Monday and Tuesday anymore. So you can only choose Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So probably we can just go with April 6. So let me edit this one once again. Oops. For a second there, it just showed the the questionnaires. I don't know what happened, but maybe it's a bug. All right. So this will be available on April 6th, 7:30 p.m. All right. So yeah, this is already our last meeting. So even though we still have like this meeting on this April 4, we will not meet anymore on April 4. So just use this one as your free time, just to review, to finish all the unfinished activities from this subject or to the pure other subject. Okay. So yeah, good luck, and let's just meet again maybe next time if I will be your instructor again. So as always, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. And yeah, goodbye and keep safe as always. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.